Hi, everyone. Welcome to Ender IT, where we make phone customization easy and enjoyable. In today's video, you'll discover a step-by-step guide to adding any photo to your Android home screen. Whether it's a picture of your loved ones, a cherished memory, or your favorite artwork, this method will help you personalize your phone in just minutes. Let's jump in. Open any gallery app on your phone, where you can see all the photos and videos you've taken or downloaded. You can also use other apps that access your photos, such as Google Photos or Dropbox. Choose the photo you want to use as your wallpaper. Tap on the photo to open it in full view. You can zoom in or out to adjust the photo to your liking. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen to reveal the menu options. You'll see various icons that let you edit, share, delete, and more. Tap on the three-dot icon, then select Set as Wallpaper. A list of options will appear, allowing you to set the photo as your lock screen wallpaper, home screen wallpaper, or both. Drag the photo to adjust its position, or pinch to zoom in or out. When you're happy with how it looks, tap Apply to set the wallpaper. That's it. You've successfully set your photo as your Android home screen wallpaper. Now, go back to your home screen and enjoy your new personalized look. Got any questions? Let me know in the comments below. That's it for this video. We hope you found it helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more useful videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.